but no one is gonna drive content ya Rootkid ine yakutomudaka is the same content avakuripa yone like years ago. I feel like the boy is suffer a major loss when it comes to although permanent distance. I feel like overcome management ake zvinopa contest imwe ntsva ine like it needs like a direction, because of if ranga riri kuti koyo and is going back uri hava kudova kuita zifreestyle zvokudomera nepala kuri ridova riri uko utsva dzinyimbo dzavanhu kuona. So I don't know why achikori kudova kudropa zifreestyle every Friday kuona, because of wako zvinhu zverotuma rekodi ranga tori why Rootkid achikomera palakuti avachikokapa zitrack dzavanhu every week. So now achikomuzori kudova kudropa every Saturday nga8 zefreestyle. Yes, dzingadiva dzezifreestyle but the content here avachikorodropera yone way back kuona. So I feel like una major loss aisafara man from him uri ave akova kamanagement olana nditaonesa ndizvori ungawoita mini uri usara zvichikova songongona manda it's a very big problem zvitodova zvichikuta kaye nemunhu even nazifans because of the same content or rina sadzifans zavo uri rodovera content ile yavachikuidropa yeila or zvikwatitova zvizvila. Because of if angari kudropa every Friday every Saturday, what will happen if chifhinga chemusi chichisvika chine kudova like asina most of the topics ine anga freestyle angazvo ungosidomerana nepala kuri ava kudiya zikapu dzazitrack dzimwe nadzimwe. Yes, zviyamushumaira zvazvitu zviyamudhisira ziviews namini, but zvitu zvezvila zvine zvodhamurira like uri kunyanga zvinhu zvezvakaini ngongwana, like want something new, want him to be more creative or ava kuita something ngongwana. We don't want it. I mean, it's the same thing with Nozgoita Karazike. He's still doing those comics and Archie Okazungwana. So I feel like even the same applies to Rootkid. If Rangar Ukon release every week is freestyle is done, it will those Kakachim machine Renaissance Fena Ravar Kudover Kumkaiza for Zilla. So I feel like Kathina content in China. Maybe if Zori Akonoro, he needs to be more relevant but maybe Katodia as live in Kongan. Maybe I change even the approach of your dears freestyle, maybe I change, maybe they say Avakota and maybe they say at Tanga Tango Botoras freestyle, maybe live. I mean, obviously, the freestyle is known as Nakosero. Obviously, over those one, I will not most to Nergazam. So the freestyle is now because they demand voters one. Article freestyle is now because they are Rootkid. Who was freestyle is in Ezra's Kotova Tony Sterry Kongan. So at the Zorunga quit, I mean, come fit to and the Chinda Bunori share the best and natural Rootkid or overcome management at Tanya one at the for Ranara. Often Oja maybe a major 6 months could drop at you to maybe just pushing music tones was live in a mini, but musically as called drop at you. But I feel like Gorono drop tries to cut through. So I don't know what will happen. But the boy when I structure Charuti in his a motor another guide Abakumuzare, it's same fit returns so I mean so I feel like the guidance to the boy put there and it's not like we're eating, we're just telling the truth. There's no pubs that were high or if you took it as just so to brush up, man.